Welcome to Walks English Academy Chandra. In today's episode, we are going to learn 18 useful idioms and expressions contained in the word bag. These expressions are commonly used in everyday English and will help you make your spoken and written English more natural and impressive. For each expression, we will learn the English meaning, Urdu meaning, Hindi meaning, and an example sentence. So, beginning with the first one. At the back of your mind, meaning to have something in your thoughts, even though you are not thinking about it consciously. Urdu Hindi meaning दिलो दिमाग के किसी कोने में ख्याल होना. Example sentence on this: at the back of my mind, I knew that something was wrong. Number two, back in the day, meaning at a time in the past, especially when talking about one's younger days or an earlier period. Urdu Hindi meaning पुराने ज़माने में या पहले के दिनों में. Example sentence: back in the day, people used to write letters instead of sending messages. Number three, put your back into something, meaning to make a great effort to do something. Urdu Hindi meaning किसी काम में पूरी मेहनत करना. Example sentence: if you put your back into your studies, you can achieve excellent results. Number four, see the back of someone or something, meaning to be happy that someone or something has left or ended. Urdu Hindi meaning किसी के जाने या किसी मुश्किल के खत्म होने पर खुश होना. An example sentence on this: I'll be glad to see the back of this difficult project. Number five, someone's back is turned, meaning someone is not watching or paying attention. Urdu Hindi meaning किसी की नजर ना होना या किसी का मुतवज्जा ना होना. Example sentence: he took the money when the shopkeeper's back was turned. Number six, take a back seat, meaning to take a less important position or role. Urdu Hindi meaning सानवी हसीद इख्तियार करना या पीछे हट जाना. Example sentence: she decided to take a back seat and let her team leader make the decision. Number eight, break back. Example: to recover or regain strength after a difficult period or setback. Urdu Hindi meaning मुश्किल या नाकामी के बाद दोबारा संभल जाना. The example sentence: the team broke back strongly after losing the first two matches. Number nine, back to the drawing board, meaning to start planning or working on something again because the previous attempt failed. Urdu Hindi meaning नाकामी के बाद दोबारा मनसूबाबंदी करना. Example sentence on this: our plan failed, so it is back to the drawing board. Number 10, back to square one, meaning to return to the beginning after a failure or setback. It has around the same meaning as the previous one. Urdu Hindi meaning like दोबारा इब्तिदा पर आ जाना. Example sentence: the computer crashed and we were back to square one. Number 11, back the wrong horse, meaning to support the person or thing that is unlikely to succeed. Urdu Hindi meaning गलत शख्स या फरीक की हिमायत करना. Example sentence: we backed the wrong horse by investing in that company. Number 12, be on someone's back, meaning to keep criticizing, pressuring, or reminding someone to do something. उर्दू हिंदी मीनिंग किसी के पीछे पड़े रहना या बार बार दबाव डालना. Example sentence: my teacher is always on my back about completing my homework. Number 13, by the back door, meaning in an indirect, unofficial or secret way. उर्दू हिंदी मीनिंग गैर मुस्तकीम या खुफिया तरीके से. Example sentence: he entered the organization by the back door without following the normal procedure. 14, get someone's back up, meaning to annoy or irritate someone. Urdu Hindi meaning किसी को नाराज करना या चिढ़ाना. Example sentence: his rude comments really got my back up. Number 15, get your own back, meaning to take revenge or do something to someone who has treated you badly. Urdu Hindi meaning badla dena. Example sentence: he played a prank on me, so I decided to get my own back. 16, know something like the back of your hand, meaning to know something extremely well. Urdu Hindi meaning किसी चीज को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानना. Example sentence: I know this city like the back of my hand. Number 17, not in my backyard, meaning use it to say that you do not want something unpleasant or undesirable near your home or area. Urdu Hindi meaning मेरे इलाके या घर के करीब नहीं. Example sentence: the resident said we need the facility but not in my backyard. Number 18, on your back, meaning lying with your back against the ground or another surface. Urdu Hindi meaning पेट के बल लेटा हुआ. Example sentence. He was lying on his back and looking at the sky. Thank you for watching this episode of Vox English Academy Chadura. I hope these 18 idioms and expressions with the word back will help you improve your vocabulary fluency and everyday English. If you found this lesson useful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Vox English Academy Chadura for more interesting English lessons. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep improving your English. See you in the next episode. Thank you.